Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going into the part of Mima dress. There are something medical about a dress. Does cover you but define. View Mima dress more than fashion. They are poetry stitches into perfections. Mima dress is a coming to you in the season. In new fashion led by making or designing Mima collections. You does just not. Dance with light and detail. Craftsmanship is a technique. Dance with time and taste. Weather. Dance with wit and taste. A gentle fall of chiffon and sculpted of satin in design. Elegance. Mimar believe beauty should be effortless and style should be internal. Mimar dressing is coming to be a leaf. Come and go to the faster less and we go to ready. Mimar dress are made for a moment that matter. Jewelry just not fashion, it's where and Mimar has mastered that language with every thread and fold. The brand express and tweet. Is Mimar's masterpiece meant to be fought as much as seen its embrace the body like a gentle permission movie with effort and rhythm for those who believe that true beauty lies in substance. And Mimar is not our choice, it's a calling. Would you like me to generating? The moment where Mimar something changes, unsolved errors. To wear Mimar is to wear confidence, to embody voice and passions. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more comment below to icon every glance, every moment, every month, one transform the